Okay, welcome everybody to another class, wonderful class today. We have noticed I've gotten some complaints that some guys are in school and everything and they can't be meeting up with our classes, like they can't come to the class every time, so they want a pre-recorded videos of the class. We record the videos and we send to them. So, welcome to a very important, you're an important part that from this we are kicking off to creating websites, and this is where I want you guys focus to be, because if you don't understand this, I don't know what else you're going to understand. Actually, this is a point where I teach you how to meet your clients when they come to meet you, and also I'm going to show you how to get a domain name and how to host a website also. This is what you're going to be showing here. So when you're creating your website, because when you're designing website with WordPress, first you have to buy your domain name, you have to host the website, then you begin to work on the website and bring it up to the taste that you want it to be. That's how it is done. So today I'll be showing you where and how to buy your domain name. So we talked about in our last class about the types of domain name. We had the .com, we had the .org, .gov, .edu, .net. Now this is a point whereby you use your intellect, use your mindset. When someone comes to you and say, "Hey, I need a website," now you ask the client, "What do you want? What is the name of your website?" Because you have to check for availability. You have to check if the name is available. Like I said, like I said in our last class, two websites can't have the same name. You can't have the same domains on a website. You can't host two names on a website. It's not possible. Like when someone comes to you and say, "Hey, the name of my business, I want the website to be named Smile Digital." When you come to look for a domain name, you can't get Smile Digital. You can't. So this is what you do. Now I'm going to show you the platforms where you can buy good domains. When you can buy domains that won't fluctuate, domains that will last, domains that are good without no downtime on them. I'll come to what I mean by downtime. We have the uptime and we have the downtime. Okay, now let's go to our browser. Let's go. Okay, Namecheap is already opened here. Now, what is Namecheap? Namecheap is a platform where you can get quality domains, where you can get domain, where you can buy your domain and host your domain. This is one platform that I trust so much. Now I'm talking about uptime and downtime. There are times when I mean uptime, I mean whenever you log in onto a website is available. It's not the one you log into a website and telling you site is not reachable. This one, that is a downtime. When you're logging into a website and you're telling that the site is not reachable, this and that, it means that site is having a downtime. Is not functioning. The hosting server is down. They're having issues. Now, Namecheap is a company that I trust so much. They don't have downtime issues. They don't have any problem. They are 99.9% up. Like Smile Digital, like our website. There's no time you will come to Smile Digital and the site won't be open. No, it can't, because we registered our website with Namecheap. We hosted it with Namecheap. There's no time you will come to Smart Digital and you'll be having issues like, why is the website not coming up? This, that. Got down for my hand. Come on, come up. What's the problem? So, Smart Digital want to form my hand. I think I'm having network issues. Please behave yourself. Don't form my hand. It's loading. I'm having network issues. What's wrong with my server? Okay, come up now. What's the problem? Network. Why is my network disturbing? Come up, young man. My network is disturbing. That's why you're seeing this no internet. MTN is having some very goddamn issues. I don't know what's wrong with them. Come up. Don't form my hand in front of my students. Okay. This is it. So that you guys will not come up. So, as we have so many platforms where you can buy domains. Like this is Namecheap. Okay, I think. Okay, yes, my digital has opened. I was having network issues. Yes, I had to change my network. That's how it came up. So we don't have. There's no time you come to our website and you'll be seeing something like site cannot be reached unless you're having network issues as I was or just some seconds back. So Namecheap is one very beautiful platform that you can buy your website, host it, and everything. Another website is the Bluehost. Bluehost.com. This is another wonderful website that you can use to host your website, buy your domain name. Very beautiful. Another one is GoDaddy.com. Is another beautiful website. Like when I mean beautiful, is a nice website. Is the same with it's not the same, but is when I can't go with Namecheap, I go with Bluehost. If I can't go with Bluehost, I go with GoDaddy. Another one we have so far is Who Hosts. Who will host? The name of the website is called Who Host. Sorry, I was doing something with the platform here. Yes. Who Host is a very wonderful website. Like is after Namecheap, I go for Who Host. Actually, I've not actually used GoDaddy in hosting a website before, but I've used Who Host. I've used Namecheap, and I'm going to explain everything to you guys. I don't like leaving anything out of my students so that when you're meeting your clients, you know what to do, what to say, and how to go about everything when you're with your clients. Network is really bad. Okay, this is it. This is Hugo Host. This is a platform. Hugo Host. Okay, now let's go to Namecheap because I love explaining with Namecheap. Namecheap is a wonderful website. So now, when I'm talking about availability of a website, because when you come to Namecheap, you're going to see domain. This is how you're going to find out. Hey, is this domain name available on the website? This is how you're going to do it. I'm not saying that you must directly use Namecheap. I've showed you so many platforms. There's Bluehost, there's GoDaddy, there's Host. These four are what I'm advising anybody and say, hey, if you want to really search for a domain name, go for these two platforms. They are the best. They are domains that won't have a downtime for your website, whereby once in a while your your website will just be down, just like that. It's not nice. It's not nice for your website to be down. Like you will so lose your customers and everything. So let's say we want to search for a domain name. Let's say VSL Concepts. So your client tells you, hey, I need a website. My name of my company is VSL Concept. You come VSL concepts.com. Search. Come up. So VSL concepts.com. You are checking if this domain name is available for to host it, to buy it. That's what you're trying to do. Like someone can come to you and say, hey, I need a website. You know what my cousin is kingsgame.com, kingsgame.ng, kingsgame.org, depending on what the website is for. Remember, we have different types of domain names. You can use the .com, .gov.org. Somebody coming for a company website, you can't just go and put .gov for the person. You can't go and put .org for someone that needs a company website. No, it is not right. It is not advisable. You have failed one of the most skills of becoming a web designer. That's not professional. It's not nice. So we also have domain names that come with .com.ng. We have domain names that come with .org.ng, .com. You are going to have a lot. You're going to see a lot of them. Now, Namecheap doesn't support .com.ng. Yeah, Namecheap doesn't support that. Hugo supports that kind of domain names. Like when you're looking for something, because there's some clients that will need search, they will want search, for their company. So as you see, VSL Concepts, VSLconcepts.com. Let's check it is available. Remember, I explained what uptime and downtime means. Uptime is when your website is always available. When people log into your website, yes, your website is active. Downtime is when your website is having issues. Their hosting server is having issues. It can't come up. Maybe Namecheap is having issues and my website can't come up when someone looks for it on the website. That is what I mean by downtime. And Namecheap doesn't have that kind of issues. Like 99.9%, I haven't seen Namecheap behave like that. I haven't seen Google behave like that. I haven't seen Bluehost or GoDaddy behave like that. So let's check. It's checking if VSLconcepts.com is available for purchase. That is what is coming up. As you can see, we have VSLconcepts.com, we have VSLconcepts.net, we have VSLconcepts.org, VSLconcepts.ai. There are a lot of them. We have the .com, we have the .syz.io.me. You have a lot. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of them that if you choose anyone you want, you can get them. Come on. Okay, the same thing can be applicable when you come to Bluehost. You can check here. Look, when you go to Namecheap and you check VSLconcepts.com and you check and maybe it's not available on Namecheap and you think, hey, it will be available on Bluehost. No, it's general. It's all of them works the same way. It's general. You can't just say, hey, it's available on this and you think it's not going to be available on that. No, it's all works. Once it's not available on Namecheap, it cannot be available on Bluehost. Once it's not available on Namecheap and Bluehost, it cannot be available on GoDaddy or Hugohost. All works hand in hand. It's just that depending on which platform you want to buy your domains from, you want to host your website with, that's it. You don't just come like that and work that way. No, it doesn't work that way. Come on, I got load up now. Where I used to let's reload the page. Network is really having a lot of issues today. Remember, we are checking VSLconcepts.com. I'm really going to show you guys a lot. There are things. This is how you purchase your domain name. This is how you're going to, each and every one of you is going to buy your domain name, because without your domain name, you will not have a website or a website to work on. You don't have a platform where you can put in your blog website, as we talked that we're going to create at the end of this training. We'll be creating a blog website, we'll be creating a company website, e-commerce, NGO website, and website. Most of you are interested in that. For those that love Yahoo Boys, it's actually a big deal. Come up, check. Let's check if it is available. Okay, as you can see, vsxconcepts.com is taken. It's taken. It's not available. You're seeing this bad sign here. It's taken. Is not. Then this make an offer means maybe if you really love that name and you want it, you can make an offer to the person. But now it's not possible. The person is already using it. So unless you're doing domain stacking, yes, that's when you want it. So this is it. vsxconcepts.com is taken. You cannot do it. Now when your client asks you for this, when your client tell you, when you check your client's name on the company website and on Namecheap, and you see that it's not available the way he wants it, there's something we call domain name tweaking. I don't know if you've heard of domain name tweaking. Like you can tweak the name, or you can actually, I don't know, that depends on what the company is for. But if the company is a company, then you may actually use .com hobby. If it's offering maybe networking services or anything, you can choose .net. If it's a governmental organization, you can use .org. Dependent. But if the person really wants this .com and you know, hey, it will fit this website perfectly well, you can do what is called domain name tweaking. Okay, let's see here. Let's come here. Let's remove this S and check. Let's check if vsxconcepts.com is available, because since the S is not there, vsxconcepts.com, is it available? Give us something. Oh, now vsxconcept is still not available. Really started in 2021. This year, wow. This was really started this year. Wow, this is wow. This is wow. Register this year. So vsxconcepts is not available. So what we do, if this is the name of this man's company, what are we going to do to it? How do we tweak it? What do we do? Do we put .org? Do we put .ng? How do we do it? How do we do it? We can let's try .org, since .org is going to be available. Yes, .org is available. Now the board does it is a non-governmental organization. This man will be like, hey, I really need this website. I really need this website. How are we going to do it? VSL. Let's see if we can tweak it with VSSL.com. That's it. If the man really knows what he wants, that kind of thing. So that's it. I'm just saying, this is not, nobody really needs this website. Who needs this? I don't know. So vsxconcepts.com, we have tweaked it. The man will be like, I think it's good. I think it's good. I think I love this name. Okay, yes, let's go with it. This is what we call domain tweaking, or you can actually let's leave it that way, since it's just for the class actually. So like if you come, maybe if you're looking for Smile Digital, you can put Smile Digital, you can put S at the end, and maybe it may be available for you. So this is it. You'll be seeing something like vsxconcept.com is available. Okay, let's try on Bluehost. Let's check. Let's check. Let's try that vsxconcepts again, so you will see what I'm talking about. .com. So you not think I'm joking. This is what I mean. Come up, young man. And I think my network is having a downtime, as we must say. vsxconcepts.com is actually loading search results. Give us something. God, I hate MTN. Okay, look at it. Sorry, vsxconcepts.com is unavailable, as I've told you. As you can see, vsxconcepts.com is not available. As you can see, this is what happens. You cannot think that, hey, since it's not available on MG, it will be available on Bluehost. No, it's not. It's not gonna work that way. It's not. Let's try SS. Yes. BSSL console.com as we did in MG. Come on, give me something. Give me something. So let's say yes, okay, yes, he needs this site, he needs it. As you can see, the price of this domain name, to buy this domain name, because you have to buy it, you have to buy the domain name. The price of this domain name is $8.98 per year. Per year. Like this is what you pay for a year, just one time payment. $8.88. Let's get our calculator. Let's check how much is $8.98. $8.98. I think dollar is around